Hey guys, Dr. Cam here with Ground Overhead PT coming back to you with your daily body armor. Talking about an exercise today that I like to help restore knee extension. So I've been had recently a client come in who has had an Achilles injury, subsequent Achilles surgery, still dealing with a little bit of swelling at the knee, which we're trying to get down, and also trying to restore knee extension range of motion. So being able to push that knee all the way down, right? Super important for gait mechanics, running mechanics, and really just a lot of other things in life. So really important that we restore proper range of motion. So I wanted to go through an exercise that I like to help us do that. So what we're going to do here, guys, we're going to take a band. We're going to wrap this around a kettlebell. All right. Once we got this looped in, we're going to stick our foot through that loop. Okay. I've got two benches set up here as well. Let's sit on one. The other one, my heel is going to rest on, and then from here, this kettlebell is going to rest again on my knee here. One strap on each side of the knee. From here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to dig my heel down into this bench. Okay, hold for about 3 to 5 seconds, and then I'm just going to relax and kind of let this weight from the kettlebell pull my knee down into extension. Okay, we can do this for a minute or two, then we can take this off, allow the knee to rest. But this can be done multiple times throughout the day to restore that knee extension range of motion, ultimately helping us get into the right positions during our exercises, our workouts, or even just walking down the sidewalk. So again, I'm going to dig that heel into the box or the bench or whatever you're sitting on here, whatever's ever across from you, digging that heel down 3 to 5 seconds, and then relaxing about 5 to 10 seconds here. Okay. And that's going to be a great way to restore that knee extension range of motion after an injury at the knee or surgery that you may have had. If you guys have questions about this exercise, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Go ahead and subscribe and like our page, and I'll see you next time for your daily body armor.